Ready to spend your cryptocurrency for everyday purchases? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Crypto.com Pay to shop at millions of merchants worldwide and make your crypto truly spendable. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Crypto.com Pay transforms your digital assets into practical spending power, letting you use cryptocurrency wherever Visa is accepted. Let me walk you through the simple process of making purchases with your crypto. First, ensure you have a Crypto.com Visa card set up and funded. Navigate to the Card tab in your app and make sure your card is active and you have sufficient balance in your crypto or fiat wallet. Find merchants that accept Crypto.com Pay by using the built-in merchant map in the app. You can also look for the Crypto.com Pay logo at checkout, or simply use your card anywhere Visa is accepted for automatic conversion. To pay in store, open the Pay section in your app and use the QR code feature, or simply tap your physical Crypto.com Visa card at the payment terminal. The transaction will automatically convert your crypto to local currency at the point of sale. For online purchases, select Crypto.com Pay at checkout or use your virtual card details from the app. You can choose which cryptocurrency to spend, and the system will handle the conversion instantly. A crucial pro tip: always check your card balance before making large purchases and enable transaction notifications for security. Consider using stable coins for everyday spending to avoid price volatility, and take advantage of the cashback rewards that vary depending on your card tier and CRO stake level. And just like that, you're spending your cryptocurrency as easily as traditional money. Crypto.com Pay bridges the gap between digital assets and real-world purchasing power. If this guide helps you start using crypto for everyday shopping, please give it a like. What was your first purchase using Crypto.com Pay? Share your spending experiences in the comments below. To explore more ways to grow your crypto, subscribe for our next video on how to stake crypto on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.